Welcome everybody to another episode of the 2 Minute Drill with yours truly. No risk, no premium. Guys, what is up? What's happening? What is going on? Let's dive right into it. Today, we played the levels to a T from yesterday's 2 Minute Drill / Sunday sermon. I said I'd love to see a back test of 410 and then a Ripper Magoo. How are you? Literally, the play of the day was puts out of the open, calls off 410 back test and go. We got it. But what else did we get today? We got a nice base day, right? A nice base day, which is expected. We ripped from 386 all the way up to 415. We're going to have to cool off and consolidate and move sideways. And the market tells me if we want to do that, I wouldn't be surprised with another test of 410. But if 410 gets tested and we break to 408, 405, I wouldn't be surprised why we got the weekly the daily 5MA is going to be about 405, maybe 406 tomorrow when we wake up, maybe 408. So I will be looking at that area to definitely go long off of again. If we did 403, 405, 408 area, you have to watch in there just to see how price reacts at those levels. As we know, if we get through 416, 417, we're going to rip to 420. Very simple. I want to make a couple quick notes here. Let's just zoom out and how it's going to get a little ugly here, but just bear with me. Okay, what level do we have here on the monthly? It's a monthly chart. The 20 MA is this green line. We have 417. It's no surprise that we went up and got 416.84 at the overnight high yesterday. So that makes complete sense. So now we know if we're through 417, we're going to rip. Okay, very simple. Let's go to the weekly chart just to give some more bigger levels for you guys. As we can see here, we have now on the weekly chart, we have the 20 MA at 430. We know 426 and 436 are my levels of where I could think this bear market rally could go to. But we also have the weekly 5. The weekly 5 is 406. Okay, so a back test of the weekly 5 or the daily 5, could they be at the same area? That's my mindset. That's why I'd look to go long off of 405, 408 area, just depending where they're at. Okay, we have to figure out where they're at. So every day you wake up, you have to see where they're at and chart them out in the morning right before the market starts. Okay, but the levels still follow the same, guys. I'm still looking here, okay, at this 425 on the daily chart here, which is the 50 MA. We'll see if we get a back test possibly to either the 20 MA or the 5 MA on the daily. Okay, both of those sitting up between 403 and 405. We know the weekly is at 406. So let's see what happens in the next day. Levels to the upside, 417, 421, 426, 430. Okay, downside still the same, 410, 408, 405, 403, 400. 396 below that. We all know what happens underneath that. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's really all I wanted to let y'all know. I'm expecting a total base day tomorrow. I do want to say something. If the Fed is going to be starting quantitative tightening tomorrow, that does not mean they're liquidating their entire balance sheet. And that does not mean the market goes to fucking zero tomorrow. Everybody chill out. The last time the Fed got hawkish and agreed on a rate raise on their next meeting, the market ripped to 460. So I hope you didn't buy puts overnight. Okay. That's all I have to say about that. Play the chart, not your heart. I'll catch you on the pre-market. Peace.